2851, customer Frye. On a work order today to go ahead and work on trim, handle poles, and accessories. There was actually a tile crew working on the kitchen today when we arrived. So we didn't get a whole lot of trim done, mainly because they were in the same space. But we'll go over what we did get done. What's going to happen here is there's going to be a flat piece of molding that's going to go up from the face frame to the ceiling, all the way around on these cabinets. Because of the two different heights between these, there's going to be a piece of material flush with the face frame going straight up here on the top of this cabinet. And then a piece of molding that's coming out. It's mounted on the face of that face frame extension. The thickness of that is going to be matched all the way around this cabinet. So in this case, the molding that comes up will be a certain spacing away from the door here. And in this case, when it comes around, it will be closer to these doors. The two different colors will come together at an inside 45 degree, or it will be a 90 degree corner, 45 per side. And that's how the two colors were transitioned. So we did add a filler up here to the top. It really bridges between the refrigerator end panels and side to side. Put some blocking up on top here to attach the sides of that frame extension up. And we actually were able to get over here and do this section to so again, that's the filler, or face frame extension that's going to have a piece added to go all the way to the ceiling, and that's how we're going to finish up these cabinets. One thing I'm going to point out is we did not have any pieces of scribe molding in white maple. We need 2 pieces to go ahead and finish this job, so we'll need to have those sent. Another thing is that we only had 2 pieces of baseboard. We're going to need 1 more piece. We got, I'll start over here, from the toe kick where it returns around the leg inside. So as you can see, we almost made it, but 1 more piece of that molding in the green color will allow us to come around this leg and finish it up so we can do quarter round. The rest of these cabinets still need toe kick and quarter round. Okay, so it's the top molding and the scribe quarter round finishing the baseboard is as far as molding that needs to be done. Do need to put the door on this pull out, and that pull out were installed today. All the handle hardware that you see. There's no handle hardware that we are installing on these white cabinets. The customer's doing something themselves. But everything here. This will be a little bit tricky to put there's a Revis shelf that's going on here. You can already see the hardware. But the door needs to be attached to this with a sink already in place. It'll be a little tricky, but that still needs to be done. And handles put on it. The customer wants 1 handle per side. Again, excuse me, with the handles, we have those installed. And we did the finger pullouts on the cabinets here. So they're all the way down on there. Okay. One other thing. I did discover that this door has a crack in it. I don't know if Dwayne, it actually goes all the way through the door, the other side here. So I'll list what door that is that we need replaced. I don't know if Dwayne listed it in the last video, but that'll need replacing. So at this point, with 1 more piece of baseboard, 2 pieces of white maple scribe molding, we do have enough trim to finish out the top molding in here and to finish the doors and so forth. So we'll need another work order to come out. If you have any questions, please contact Dwayne. Thank you very much.